Hey, welcome back. So in today's video I will tell you the in-depth details of the simple ones, Simple Connect mobile application. So if you all have any doubts, वो आज सब इस वीडियो में क्लियर हो जाएगा. And this is going to be in-depth video of the mobile application, that is the Simple Connect. And mine being the Gen 2, so the app has multiple more features compared to the previous gen. So I will tell you in detail. So let's get started. Okay, so here is my Simple Connect application. I will just open it and you're greeted with this beautiful animation. And so this is how your app home screen looks like. Now I did turn off the app lock. I will come to that later. Now starting on this home page, we can see over here the profile, then your scooter's name and the Bluetooth connection. The app is connected with the bike or not. Below you can see the battery SOC and the predicted range, which is 125 kilometers, and my odometer reading, which is 2400, and in which mode the bike is currently in, that is eco. Now if you see this bike, it is showing some lines around it, which means that the bike is currently on. If the bike is off, it will show you the side image of the bike. Coming below, we have this setting, we have the ping my scooter button, and we have the in transit notification. So here also you can understand if your bike is on or off. So let's click on the gear button. Over here it will tell you the name, your model, your bike's color as well, along with your number plate. Coming down, your TPMS details. The air stick is not yet received in the service center or in the showroom. Even I am waiting over it. So if I get any information, I will let you guys know. Coming down, we have the document storage, which is the driving license, insurance, registration certificates. So I've already added mine. And down we have simple RSA as well. If anything happens, if the bike breaks down, we can just call over this number and everything, the RSA will be at your footstep. Then we have the live location. If I want to send any live location, that details. Then time fence is basically like want to see if the bike goes out during that period or not, is passcode. So if I want to set passcodes for all the documents which I just mentioned above on the scooter, so that no one else can access it, it can be done over here. We can just set a password. So I'll just enter 1234, but I've already set it, so that's why it is showing invalid passcode. Then over here, that is the ping my scooter. One is the lights, one is just the horn, and another one is the both. Below is the find my scooter location, so it will give you exact location where the bike is. Down we have the ride insights. Here it will tell you how much money I have saved till now. So it says 5,000 and the kilometers is 2,400. Then CO2 is 125 kg, and inside this riding stats, it will tell you the details about the riding, how much kilometers we have rode in this last 30 days or even day wise. Coming to that, and my previous ride is over here. It will tell you a small snapshot, and this will have multiple information. So here this blue color icon which you see, that is the mode. Okay, that mode which you see on your scooter, and that same is replicated over here, that is the ride mode. Then the map ka short information, how much distance I traveled, how much time did I ride the scooter, and what was the efficiency. We'll go into riding stats. So here I have ridden 253 kilometers in the last 30 days. This is the total. Now here, this small bar graph, you can click on every one and it will tell you per day wise. So if you see, this is the 23rd date, like that. Down is the 45 rides total. Then this is the amount of money I have saved over the fuel, and some small gimmicks over here which will tell how much money I am saving. And if we complete this, it will tell congratulations, your scooter's cost is recovered. Coming down, in this one whole month, longest ride was 25 kilometers. And yeah, these all stats you can see, and we can even download this report. Coming to the charging history, आप लोग अभी इधर देख सकते हो कि मैंने कभी चार्ज किया था लास्ट, and today is 27, so I charged almost 8 days back. last 24 hours, week charging, month charging. Then charging options are basically the normal, smart and charging limit. Then it will does tell you some tips also how to charge, so you can read over here. You can pause this video and read. Good features which came with a Gen 2 update. So this bell icon tells you the notifications, like for example any warnings, any notification like your boot was open or any warning which came, so that can be popped up directly over here. Even on the scooter it will show, but here also it will show. So these are the notifications and these are other notifications. So for example, you can see boot left open, critical 6% battery. Now one thing to note, that critical 6% battery, this is a bug from Simple Energy which they are resolving it, and many of us are getting it. Now opening the control panel, you can just swipe up. We can see different sections and different controls over here. First one is the mute sound option, okay, which will mute all of your sounds on the scooter. Then this is the incognito mode, and now it is incognito. Same has been reflected on my scooter. Then this is the DND mode, which is do not disturb mode. So I can do everything from the mobile application. Mute sounds, if I do, all the mute sounds have been mute from the mobile applications only. Below is the welcome lights. Basically when you turn on the key, the indicator and the headlight which turns on, that will turn on and off. Same for the exit lights. So here I have set it to 5 seconds on my scooter, that here it can just toggle the on and off, not the time. Geofence, you guys know it. Geofence is basically moving out of a certain diameter of a area. If the bike goes out of that, then you will get warnings. So we can set this, we can set the radius and then just click next. We can give a title and it will get set. Super share is basically your live location sharing of the bike for maybe 30 minutes or 1 hour or 2 hours. The map section, over here you can see the maps which is by Maples, okay, and you can check different charging stations, nearby locations where I previously went, and my favorites as well, which I have already kept. Now charging stations पे अगर हम लोग click करेंगे, it will tell you the different charging types, okay, like 3-pin socket or fast charger nearby you. So I can just click on any one of this, and the best thing, I can directly send this location to my scooter by just swiping, and it has been received on my bike. You get this notification. Fast charging support is by Bolt Earth. You can directly continue in the Bolt application by clicking on this. So you can see it opened the Bolt application. The support section on the app, here you can raise any of the tickets or concerns on the scooter or about the application or general feedback. Over here just click on this plus icon and it will tell you. Now since I had a 1.5 as well, that's why it is showing the two options. Now here you can see all of my issues which I did raise of the Gen 2. Terms and conditions, that is self-explanatory. And the last section, which is basically your profile section. Now over here, first you will see your name, which can be customized as well, your DP, okay. Now this is in the my view profile section. I'll go into that. Here you'll have your name, your phone number, verified phone number, your email ID and the pin code of your location. Then in my scooters section, you will see your different scooters which you own. Multiple scooters like me, then you will see different or multiple scooters over here. You can edit their details or names in this section. इसके बाद notification setting में, if you want the notifications on your phone, like the all notification, the charging alerts, you can turn it on and off over here. Down is the app lock. Then smartphone integration. If you have a smartwatch like which has the Google UI, okay, Wear OS, then you can just sync directly on your application. Below smartwatch, it is the OTA update. So if your scooter has got any OTA update on the scooter, it will show over here in the app as well. Transfer ownership, यहाँ पे if you have sold your previous vehicle or any vehicle of the Simple, वो यहाँ पे दिखेगा, and you have to initiate a RC transfer from old owner to the new owner, which I have already initiated for my previous vehicle. You can see over here as it shows under review. And this section is basically the Instagram page of Simple Energy, and last button is the logout button. This was it for the video, how the mobile application works and what are the features. So if you got any queries about this mobile application, drop in the comments below. Make sure to like, this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon so that you are notified about my latest videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye. Ride safe, drive safe. See you.